Tommy Hilfiger. How Tommy Hilfiger created a classy streetwear brand. Tommy Hilfiger is a renowned fashion designer who has created a brand that is synonymous with streetwear style and sophistication. The Tommy Hilfiger brand is known for its high-quality materials, attention to detail, and bold designs that appeal to a wide range of fashion-forward consumers. In this essay, we will explore how Tommy Hilfiger has created a fashion brand that represents streetwear style and sophistication. Tommy Hilfiger was born in New York in 1951 and grew up in Elmira, a small town in upstate New York. From a young age, Hilfiger was interested in fashion and began designing his own clothes in high school. After moving to New York City in the 1970s, Hilfiger began working in the fashion industry, eventually launching his own brand in 1985. From the beginning, Tommy Hilfiger has been focused on creating a fashion brand that represents streetwear style and sophistication. The brand's signature red, white, and blue color palette and bold designs are inspired by American pop culture and the country's rich heritage. The brand's iconic logo, featuring a flag with the letters H and F, has become a symbol of streetwear style and sophistication. One of the ways that Tommy Hilfiger has created a fashion brand that represents streetwear style and sophistication is through collaborations with popular artists and celebrities. For example, in the 1990s, the brand collaborated with hip-hop artist Snoop Dogg to create a line of clothing that combined the brand's signature style with Snoop Dogg's streetwear sensibility. More recently, the brand has collaborated with pop star Zendaya to create a line of clothing that celebrates inclusivity and diversity. Another way that Tommy Hilfiger has created a fashion brand that represents streetwear style and sophistication is through its use of high-quality materials and attention to detail. The brand's clothing is made from the finest fabrics and is designed to fit perfectly and flatter the wearer's body. The brand's attention to detail is evident in every piece, from the embroidery on a shirt to the stitching on a pair of jeans. In addition to its focus on streetwear style and sophistication, Tommy Hilfiger has also been committed to sustainability and social responsibility. The brand has launched several initiatives aimed at reducing its environmental impact, including using sustainable materials and reducing waste in its supply chain. The brand has also been involved in several philanthropic initiatives, including supporting organizations that promote education and youth empowerment. Tommy Hilfiger's success in creating a fashion brand that represents streetwear style and sophistication is also due to its ability to adapt to changing fashion trends. The brand's designs have evolved over the years, reflecting the changing tastes and preferences of its target audience. For example, in the 1990s, the brand was known for its preppy, Ivy League-inspired style, which was popular among young adults. In the 2000s, the brand's designs became more edgy and urban, reflecting the growing popularity of streetwear fashion. Another key factor in Tommy Hilfiger's success is its ability to appeal to a wide range of consumers. The brand's designs are versatile and can be worn by people of all ages and backgrounds. The brand's clothing is also available at a range of price points, making it accessible to a broad range of consumers. Marketing has also played a crucial role in Tommy Hilfiger's success. The brand has utilized a variety of marketing channels, including print ads, television commercials, and social media, to promote its products and build brand awareness. The brand has also sponsored several high-profile events, such as the Tommy Hilfiger Fashion Show, which has helped it gain exposure and attract new customers. In recent years, Tommy Hilfiger has continued to expand its product offerings, adding accessories, fragrances, and home goods to its line of clothing. The brand has also expanded